In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorganize your Shopify menu like a pro. Having a well-organized menu is crucial for providing a seamless shopping experience on your site, and it can significantly boost user engagement. So, let's dive into the process and transform your Shopify store's navigation into an intuitive and effective tool for your visitors. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a range of options. Look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This is the area where you'll manage various aspects of your online store, including menus, which are essential for guiding your customers to the right sections of your site. Next, within the Content area, you'll want to select the Menus option. This is where you can access and modify the navigation elements that appear on your storefront. Menus are a powerful way to categorize products and guide users through your store's offerings. So understanding how to modify them to suit your needs is important. Now, let's focus on your main menu. Click on Main Menu, which will bring up the list of current menu items on your site. Here is where all the organizational magic happens. Each menu item represents a bit of navigation structure that your customers interact with. So keeping these clear and well organized is key to a user-friendly website. One of the great features Shopify offers is the ability to click and drag the menu items to reorganize them. You'll find drag handles next to each menu item. These are your tickets to refining your navigation structure. Simply click on a menu item's handle and drag it up or down to change its order. This ease of movement allows you to prioritize the items you believe are most important for your visitors to see first. Additionally, Shopify gives you the flexibility to create a more layered menu by converting items into sub-items. You can do this by dragging a menu item slightly to the right, positioning it beneath another item. The item you dragged will now become a sub-item of the one above it, creating a drop-down menu effect. Organizing info in this way can enormously aid in cleaning up your main menu bar, presenting a visually tidy and accessible navigation flow. And so on, you can continue to refine and reorganize your Shopify menu until it meets your specifications. It's an intuitive process that, once mastered, can greatly enhance the usability of your store, providing customers with a more streamlined and enjoyable browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to reorganize your Shopify menu like a pro. Whether you're adding new products or adding new categories, these skills ensure your store's navigation stays organized and efficient for users. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.